moves in chess which are special. That's what I want to say. The promotion, the en passant,
Yes.
and the castling. Castling is not about the pawn, it's just a special move.
Okay. Yeah.
All other moves are normal moves of pieces, yes? But these three are special. And there is a task in composition to try to show in one study all three things happening.
Okay.
So it's very difficult to compose it.
Yeah.
But there is like 10 examples of this. I will show you one example of an Israeli friend of mine who composed it. His name is Gadi Kostev. He lives in San Francisco. We Israelis live everywhere, but rarely in Israel.
Who made also a very interesting computer program.
Yes, yes, that can identify the theme of positions according to themes.
His hand.
It's used by Harold van der Heijden in his database,
Yes.
but everybody can catch it for free.
Yes,
He made
yes.
it with the other guy, Stiller, I guess.
Thriller, yes. Maybe together with him or independent. I think they cooperated. But it's not his job. He's something in consulting, in banking, or whatever. Very good man, this Kostev guy, but also a very good composer. And how he did manage to combine all three themes together is in this position. That will be just as a Nachrecht, yeah? Tucci. So this is kind of Tucci. I think I put everything. No, of course I have to forget something. In my age, this is the position, and it's white to play and win.
So it's castle.
We have castle, and actually we must castle here because this is a big threat. Huh? So white is castling with check. Yeah? So the castle we made. G1 takes, King B2 only move, takes, only move, F4, and now we have the en passant.
Yes.
And he takes, and he runs, yes. So he tries to create something. He runs after him. And he comes here.
Okay.
Now if he queens, then he queens, and it's stalemate.
Okay.
So the only way to win is like we know from Saavedra already,
minor.
Is minor promotion. So he actually achieved what is called Valadao task, to show in one line of play all the three strange moves in chess, the unique moves in chess, which is not easy, and it looks quite natural. It's not something very artificial. Yeah.